He bought you a $24,000 chain just like that?
What do you mean just like that? I worked hard for it, my dear.
$5 billion. You want time today? No wahala now. I'll call you back. Let me talk to my accountant.
The person you just described is a very serious player. He might even be dangerous.
Seriously, Shee, you need a psychiatric evaluation.
Come on. Stop being melodramatic. What's life without a little spunk?
I'm a connoisseur of rare beauty. I would have loved to stay and enjoy more of your beauty. But I have a meeting.
You haven't seen anything yet. First food, then drinks. For dessert, I'll offer you a live animal.
So what is the chain?
Very safe.